Hello everybody, I want to ask you one question. What do you feel when I say the word home? To me, when I would hear the word home, I would shake out of fear. I would cry because I was all alone growing up in all the abuse that was happening. So anytime I would hear home or hear parents, because I had no connection with my parents when I was growing up, I was not with them, and so much bad things, so much abuse, humiliation I went through in my childhood, and my parents were not even aware about it, and even the other relatives that I grew up with, they were the part of the home, but still they could never see it, what is happening with me. So I just made it, I felt like people are weird because of that, so whenever I heard the word home, I felt this disconnection, this fear, this lot of fear. I felt like I'm going to die. That kind of feeling I used to feel when I heard the word home. But then as I was healing, I found like my dog, I found love in her, so she is home for me. So that fear changed into calmness, into relief. So even though if right now when you hear the word home, lot of emotions come up, this universe is a very loving place. You will find love, you will find that relief. This exercise is just to make you aware so that you do not have to run away from your emotions. Even I feel that way, so just become aware right now, and you can trust universe to heal those feelings of fear, those feelings of sadness, those feelings of terror, the terror, like, oh my god, what's gonna happen, because home is a place where bad things happen to us as a child. It was not anywhere else in the world, not anybody around. It was around our relatives, around our own parents, around our own siblings, in our own home. So home can be very scary place, but that will be changed. You will find a home. Not every home is going to be disastrous. There is a hope, there is a love in this world. All right, so I love you, I am here for you, and it would be my absolute honor to support you on your journey. If you'd like to book a one-on-one session with me, link is in the description, in order to dive deep into your fears, into your anxieties, to have a safe space to share your traumas and move through them for intuitive guidance, clarity on next step. I would love to be there and to guide you, to hold safe space for you. And in order to invite good energies into your life, you can also check out my magic paintings. When you keep my magic paintings around in your home space, in your office space, it brings so much of good energy. You can also gift it to your loved ones. I have 4 magic paintings. Number 1, I am safe, I am supported, which is going to help you. If you grew up in emotionally abusive home, you went through a lot of sexual abuse and trauma, and you were surrounded by emotionally immature people that damaged your self-esteem, this painting is gonna bring so much of self-loving energies into your life. Another painting that I have is taking a leap of faith on myself, and also another one which is I owe nothing to anybody. These 2 paintings are going to be pushing forward you into like taking bigger leaps and push you into like fully going into all on your passion. It's gonna bring so much of courageous, confident energy, like they are magic, super powerful. Another painting I have is God's ease, God's peace, God's prosperity, effortlessly flowing in every area of my life. It's gonna like bring the energy of things happening on its own for you, like material